Welcome! Are you missing out on important updates from your favorite Facebook groups? It can be frustrating to not see all the posts, especially when you want to stay in the loop. Today, I'm going to show you an updated way to enable notifications for all posts in a Facebook group, so you never miss a thing. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner of your screen, and tap on it. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand the options, and then select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, look for the Notifications section. It might be a little further down the page, depending on your device. Once you find it, tap on Groups. This will lead you to the Group Notification settings. Here, you'll see a list of all the Facebook groups you're currently a member of. Select the group for which you want to enable all post notifications. After selecting the group, you'll see different notification options. To ensure you see every post, choose the All Posts option. This means that every single post created in the group will be sent to your newsfeed, ensuring you have the opportunity to see it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for all posts in the selected Facebook group. Now, you'll be notified of every new post, comment, event, and other activity within the group. This way, you can stay informed without feeling overwhelmed and never miss out on important discussions or updates. By default, Facebook only sends you a fraction of the content that's produced from a group into your newsfeed. However, by following these steps, you can ensure that you see all the content from your favorite Facebook groups. You can also tailor your notification experience by choosing to receive notifications for highlighted posts, events, or live videos. To further customize your notification settings, you can filter the updates you receive by selecting specific keywords or phrases. If you want to turn off notifications, go back to Manage Notifications and select Highlights to only see what Facebook thinks you should see. Select Friends Posts to only see your friends' posts, or turn them off completely. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Now you can stay connected and engaged with all the groups that matter to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.